Hello friends, welcome to webscript.info and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. And after a very long time I'm making this video and I'm really very happy. It's about 4 or 5 months I'm making this video. And in this video I'm going to create a real-time web push notification, right? So what is this actually? Let's say we have a web application and we have so many registered users. So if we want to notify them, the traditional way of doing this is just to send them emails when they will read the emails and they will come back to the website. This is the great and ultimate best way of up to now, right? But now we have a very latest things that is called web push notifications. All the websites or applications such as Facebook, Gmail, they are using a real-time notification, web push notification. It doesn't matter our browser is on or off. If you are the subscribed user or registered user of that application, then definitely you will get notification. And if I'm the owner of that application, then whenever I want, I will notify you. I don't need to do a lot of coding to send you emails or all of users who are interested or not. Both the ways are fine, but the latest, we should try the latest way, right? So here are some examples. Let me show you. Here. So it will look like this. We will receive notification like this in our desktop. Whether the browser is on or not running or not, it doesn't matter. Another look is something like this. This is very familiar, right? You know everything. If you have given the permission, then definitely you are aware of this thing or aware of such notifications. That is called web push notification. And in this video I'm going to show you a demo of web push notification in our local system, right? We can use in our if you have any live website, you can use there just to use your domain, right? So let's begin. We have an awesome platform that is called OneSignal, and it's completely free. We can use without any problem. So the very clear description is here: high volume, cross-platform, push notification delivery. Works on mobiles, desktops, Chrome browsers, everywhere, right? 100% free. Read about it. Unlimited devices, not unlimited notification. There is no limit. Unlimited segments. You can target a group of users to send a notification. You can target individual users by their device ID. You can store the device ID in your application database and you can send him notification for anything like that. Someone messaged him or someone liked him, anything, for any purpose. So let's begin here. We need to log in and I'm going to use my Gmail account. In this video I'm going to just show you the demo of a web push notification. After that I will create one more video where we can write code. Programmatically we can send notification to the users. That is called RESTful APIs. This platform provides RESTful API. We can use that API to send notification to our users, to group of users, to bunch of users, to million of users. There is no limit. This is awesome, right? Okay, let's close this. This is a very simple dashboard. No lengthy, nothing. It's very clean and clear. That's make it very easier to use, right? So here it is, the button add app, and this is the table. After adding, that app will list here and you can delete it if you don't want to keep that app. So just add it. For now I'm going to give it a name, notification what app? Correct. Notification test add app. So we need to set up the platform. Apple, Android, Windows, Mac. So web push, if you take web push, then it will work in every platform if there is a browser, right? So every platform has browser. And Apple iOS means Google, Android means Android applications, Windows applications, you can use everywhere. But for our case, we are going to use web push for web browsers. We want to target our web audience, right? So just select web push, and it works for Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Internet Explorer. For now, these are works very fine in these browsers. So here are 3 options to integration for integration purpose. So typical website, we have existing websites. For that we can create this. For WordPress plugins, custom code for advanced users. If they want to write their own notification code, they will OneSignal will help them to make notifications, right? Just begin. Site setup, give it a name, your application name or site name. Site name is notification test, and site URL, this is important thing, right? For real website, for real live website, you must you need to provide, it is very you must need to provide HTTPS. It will not work for HTTP. Means you need to have SSL certificate from your hosting. I think you know about SSL certificate. If you don't know, please search about it. And if you have a website and you don't have SSL certificate, please buy from your hosting provider. They will provide you. After buying, then you can access HTTPS instead of HTTP. So for now, we are going to use in our local server. So I'm going to use HTTP. It will work for HTTP only work for local servers, for demo purpose only, right? So this is our localhost for my current system, and you can see the treat HTTP localhost as HTTPS for testing only, right? You can provide the icon for your notifications. So just I have a website. What I mean, you can understand here. I haven't given HTTP or HTTPS, so you can see here not secure. But I already have HTTP SSL certificate. So if I type HTTPS and press enter, then you can see there is a lock, means it is secured. Earlier you have seen no not secure, but now it is secure. But it doesn't matter. I want this logo, right? So open a new tab. Get the URL of this logo, copy and paste here. So now your icon is set up. Now you need to have a label, because you don't have a website, so you can give any name. Notification, it may repeat, right? Let's try. So now it's time to permission. Whenever user open your website, you will ask about the notification. If you don't want to receive any notification from you, then you can't do anything. So let's add a prompt, and prompt will be like this one. You can see subscribe to notification. Slide prompt, it will be like this. We have chosen our notification logo, so you can see here it's messy, right? Because it's my logo is rectangular and the space is here square. So it will be like this. Custom links, don't go for custom link now. Just use slide prompt and save it. I'm trying to show you in a very simple way. So once user allow the notification, then he will get notification like this, and you can give it a title of the notification, like your application name, web script, and you can thank him for subscribing, thanks for visiting, or anything, any message. If you want, you can apply a link. Whenever user click on the notification, then he will redirect to your website. So just give it. Okay, great. Just it will look like this in mobile, in Windows, and in Mac. Advanced option, so don't go for advanced option now. Save it. You can see one your label, chosen label is not available. Definitely 78. Okay, notification 78.os.pc. Save, and finally it's done. Now you can see, if you haven't already add this code to head section on all pages of your site that users can subscribe to. So just get this code. This is just the demo. In programmatically we can do a lot of things here. So just get this code, and here is go to my website. So I'm using my local server. Here is the software for Apache, and let's let me create a HTML, save a file, test notify.php. so I have given the name test notify.php, or you can also write here HTML, it doesn't matter, test notify.html.php, whatever it is. Save. Okay, HTML. So this is the page of your website. Notification demo. So as we need to paste the code in head section, so this is our code. This is the JavaScript code, and this code is useless without this link. So this is the main thing, OneSignal SDK.js. Now it is creating the OneSignal object and pushing the function. This is our app ID, OneSignal.initialize. Once this code run, the OneSignal app will be initialized, and this is your app ID which you have created right now. And we need this app ID for our web applications, for the push notification, to send notification programmatically using APIs. So we need this app ID. Let's save it, get the path of this file, and open this file in the web browser. And remember, we are using a local server, so we need to type localhost, press enter, and wait until you will get notification. So this is the home page, and definitely it will ask for the notification. Wait, yeah, finally it is here. This is what I want. So it is asking for the notification. We would like to send you notification for the latest news and updates. So no thanks or allow. Just allow. And here you can change this click allow or this message, everything, right? Everything is changeable, modifiable. Allow. The magic is gonna happen right now. Bingo. So this is our web application, web script. Thanks for visiting. And now I am the subscribed user of my application, right? Anyone can be the subscribed user of your application. Now the most important and interesting thing is here. Just go to your app, notification test. This is the app we have created, and you can see the monthly active subscribed user is 1, total is 1, because this is the local server and I'm the only user of this application. And just go to the users. There are different kinds of users, subscribed users. So the subscribed user is 1, right, which is me, myself. Active user is 1, which is me. Engaged user 0, and inactive user 0. Definitely there will not be user. So messages, I want to send a notification, right, to my subscribed users. So here is the option, new push. Click on this new push, and you can see here send to subscribed users, send to particular segment, right? Group of users. Segment means just a group of users which is for different purpose. Let's say you have 1000 users, 500 of them are paid users and 500 are not paid users. So 500 is one segment and another 500 will be the different segment. So obviously you want to notify the in a different way, right? But right now I just have the subscribed users. Title, web script, and message. Hey there, how are you? And here is the look for different devices. These are the options. There are a lot of things: icons, image, badge, field. You can specify the additional key value pairs. This is helpful in the programming, right? If you want to hide some data for the user, for a specific web page, there are a lot of reasons. Just like the URL, we specify the variables, get variables, URL variables, similar, right? Just scheduling option is there. If you want to postpone this notification for future use, just confirm it, don't waste the time. Now the thing is here included segments is the subscribed users. There is one user which is me, title, message, the platforms, send message, and bingo, no time, within a second I have my notification. Just see here, web script, hey there, how are you? And I'm using my local server, so if I click on this notification it will take me to the home page of my Apache server. But in your case, if it is live website, then it will be your live website. See here, XAMPP Apache server. So for this this is done, right? This is done. Now you know how to send notification to your subscribed users. In the future video we will discuss about so documentation.onesignal.com, and the URL is exactly let's open this documentation.onesignal.com, and here you can see the description about it, and go here, and what we want a RESTful server API. Click here. So create notification. This is for programmers, for advanced users, and you can see here post. This is the post, and this is a post API. We can use this API to send notification to our specific user, particular users, or group of users. There are different ways of doing this. Just scroll down, and these are the parameters. Here it is, the tag keys. Come to the point. There are a lot of things. I just went through it. Yeah, here. So example code, create notification. Just try by yourself. If you can do, then it's best. Go. Send to all subscribers. So the PHP code is here. This is the curl code, curl, or whatever you want, you can call it. I haven't made any video about curl, but maybe I will made in the future. So there are different ways of send to all subscribed users, send to a specific segment, send based on filter tags, send based on OneSignal player ID. This is what I love it. Player's ID. It's actually the user's specific ID, or you can say the primary key, right? Using primary key you can send the notification to the device. Player ID is basically the device ID. You can target a device and you can send the notification to that device. So hope you love this video. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. It is going very low day by day. And if you want more videos about this OneSignal, just let me know in the comment section. I will definitely reply you and let you know when I will upload the next video. Thanks for watching.